This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of GD Culture Group Ltd. GD Culture Group Ltd. operates in the digital entertainment and live events sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GDC. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To buy GDC, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker GDC to find GD Culture Group Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is GD Culture Group Ltd. Check the company summary, exchange label, and ticker to ensure it is the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending order. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it over time. If you want to follow the example platform, the link is in the description.